For the very first time ever, I'll be training aspiring accessory designers on how to make African crafts and accessories live in Kansas City. If you're someone who has been curious about African accessories or would like to develop new creative skills, this training is made just for you. During this training, there is going to be practical sessions where you get to design your own creative accessories that you can wear, gift, or even sell. This training will be physical for participants in Kansas City, and I'll be joining live via Zoom all the way from Nigeria to guide you every step of the way. So, if you are in the US and you find this interesting, register now as there are limited slots available. I can't wait to meet you, share my skills, and make this an unforgettable creative experience. See ya! This training is proudly organized by Kineted Origins, an NGO that supports local entrepreneurs in West Africa.